In our want and desire to be healthier, we often think we want to have foods that have less saturated fat. So have you ever thought about cooking with tofu? Do you know that tofu was first introduced, at least we found it, in 1183? It was used by Buddhist monks as a substitute for fish and meat proteins, so it has been used for a long time. And some people thought tofu was bad because it had isoflavones, which they thought were an anti-estrogen, and it turns out that's really not a concern. Tofu is a very healthy product that not only gives you a good source of protein, low in saturated fat, but actually helps inhibit your absorption of saturated fat for your gut. So let's start cooking with it. The first thing you'll notice about tofu is this. It comes in these packages and it's wet. Tofu is like a canvas. It takes on the flavor of the dish you're making, but it's wet. And so the first thing you got to do is press it. Look at how much water has come out of that. And this is the second paper towel I've used. This, I was told, is the secret ingredient to a good marinade for it, because it not only contains soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, but it has ginger and garlic. And who doesn't like ginger and garlic? Now, if you can't get this or don't have a Trader Joe's nearby, you can just use it with ginger and garlic, but I like being lazy. This wok is filled with sesame oil, one of my favorites in the part of flavor, and we're just going to add this in. When you see the vegetables turn that beautiful, vibrant green, you know they're cooked. A friend of mine said, "Why are you doing a TikTok about stir-fry tofu? It's so easy to make. Nobody wants that." That's exactly what we want. Something we can put together in a few minutes and have a great meal. Not only do we have lots of wonderful vegetables here, but a great source of protein, low in saturated fat, and it's delicious.